Hello, Alex. Here's a question you asked for. It's from page 220 in the third edition of the Get Ready Guide for the Bergen Academy's admission test, number 11. The question is -3 and 1/3 times 4 and 5/9. Now, when we multiply two mixed numbers like this, we need to first change them into improper fractions. So, just so you remember, how do we change something like -3 and 1/3 into an improper fraction? We multiply the 3 times 3, so that's 9. Then we add that to the numerator 1, so that's 10. So it's 10/3. And you still have the negative sign as it is. So let's change these two. So -3 and 1/3 becomes -10/3 times 4 and 5/9. We do 4 times 9, 36. 36 plus 5 is 41/9. So this is how it looks now. Now we can multiply it easily. Multiply the numerators together and multiply the denominators together. So -10 times 41 is -410 over 9 times 3 is 27. So -410 times, over 27. So -410/27. Now, if I wanted to keep the answer in this form, in the improper fraction form, I would just leave it like this, -410/27. However, if I need to change it into a mixed number, that's a little bit hard. I don't expect on the test to have numbers this big. However, I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we need to do in order to transform this back into a mixed number is to basically change the 410 into two numbers plus each other. The negative stays in the 27 as it is, but instead of 410, I want to transform it into two numbers, something like 400 plus 10, or something like 200 plus 210, okay, and so on. So this is what we're trying to do. Now, one of these two numbers, either the first number or the second number, and here either the first number or the second number, should be the largest possible number that is divisible by 27. Okay, so I'm looking for two numbers plus each other, and I want one of them to be as big as possible and divisible by 27. So we're going to start, let's try something easy. Let's try 27 times 10 and then 27 times 20. So here, let me change the color and let's just try. 27 times 10 is 270. 27 times 20 is 27 times 2. 25 times 2 is 50. And then we have 2 and 2, so 54. So 27 times 20 is 540. Now remember, we want to change 410 into something plus something. So one of these two numbers cannot be 540 because that's bigger than 410. So 27 times 20 is out of the question. Okay, so we said 27 times 20 equals 540, which is bigger than 410, out of the question. 27 times 10 is 270, that's good. Well, but 270 is still very small, so let's try something a little bit bigger. How about 27 times 15? Okay, and just to brush up, how do we multiply? Remember, you do not have a calculator on the test. So 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 2 is 10, and 3, so 13. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. So the answer is 405. So 27 times 15 is 405. Very good. Now we have something smaller than 410. Now, you must realize here that 15 is going to be the biggest number, because if it's 27 times 16, then it's like adding an extra 27 to 405. So that's going to be 432. So that's more than 410. So this is the maximum, this is the greatest number. 405 is the greatest number that is divisible by 27 and smaller than 410. So we can rewrite this question as negative 410 over 27 equals negative and then 405 plus 5 over 27. Now take a close look. We didn't change anything. We changed the 410 into 405 plus 5, same thing. But why did I do that? Because now I can divide this fraction into two fractions plus each other. Remember, when we have the same denominator, we can change the two numerators plus each other into two fractions. So 405 over 27 plus 5 over 27. Now, keep the negative sign outside the whole time. So what is 405 divided by 27, or 405 over 27? It is 15. We already got that from up here. Plus 5 over 27. Now, when we have a number, a whole number like 15, plus a fraction, it's the same as writing it as a mixed number. So I can rewrite this as negative 15 and 5 over 27. This would be the simplest form for this question. Again, the numbers here are really big. I seriously doubt that you would have numbers this big on the test unless they want to waste your time. However, it's very simple, very easy. All you need to do is just know the steps really well. Okay, good luck.